Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsey, and if you're new here, welcome. So as you saw from today's title, we'll be doing a hat wig. Super quick, super easy, so convenient. Let's get into it. Alright, so you're gonna need your hot glue gun, your cap, a satin material, and of course the weave. Starting out, I turn the cap inside out and I put the brim of the cap away from me and turn the back of the cap towards me. Then I'll simply just apply the glue to the cap, then apply the hair onto the glue on the cap. Literally, that's all I did, guys. Just glue. And even though, you know, I took my time, I still had to move pretty fast because you do know that the hot glue gun dries pretty quickly. But you know, I moved in sections because it was a bit less messy this way. So I just kind of went ahead and just glued. Now you see where I'm gluing. I didn't really glue all the way to the bottom of the cap, and I didn't glue along that velcro strap because I still wanted the cap to be a bit adjustable. I know some caps may or may not come with the velcro strap, but this is a cap I found. I would have preferred a black cap, but this is the cap I find and I may use. Also, I do suggest using a cap that's a bit bigger than your head, because remember, when you apply the hair to the cap, it will make the cap fit a bit more snug, right? So I just applied the glue and then I stopped right at the white part, and then I went ahead and I looped the hair. I didn't really cut the hair too much because honestly I just didn't want to. I only cut when necessary. So when I get to the opening of the cap, I'm just gonna snip the hair right there, leave that part out, and then move on to the other side, which I should have snipped the hair in between the opening from the first track, but don't worry, we fix that later on. So I just went ahead and did the same thing to the other side of the cap. Also, guys, if you want to use this method to create like a wig beanie using a beanie cap, you can do that just to protect your hair. We are going into the colder months, so that would be a great protective way to, you know, well, protect your hair from extra dryness and extreme breakage from the cold weather. This method is good for any cap or hat, to be honest. So now that I've gotten to the opening, I'm just going to apply some glue around the opening, and then I'm just going to put a track of the hair over that glue, because it's going to give the illusion like, oh, I just put a cap over my hair. So it's going to hide the tracks and give it that more natural look. I apologize for this bad angle, guys. I swear I was in frame, but with the first track I was talking about earlier, I'm just gonna go ahead and snip that out from the opening, because I mean, come on, we don't need to see that. So turning my cap inside out again, I'm just gonna take my satin piece and measure it against the white part that we left out in the cap, and then I'm just gonna glue it down onto the white part. Now this is just to protect our hair from the rough, you know, material of the cap, especially if using like a more cotton drying type of cap. Alright guys, and this is what we have. Just a simple, convenient hat wig. Really easy grab and go wig. So I just went in and flat ironed the hair, and then I just flexi rod it just a little bit. Alright guys, and here we have the finished product. Simple, quick, easy, convenient grab and go wig. You know, say you go to supermarkets and you just want to pull on something on your head, you grab this. You don't know the thing go. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, because you know, so I grow the family over here. And click the bell button beside the subscribe button so you can know when I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. I'll leave the links to those in the description box down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye guys.